Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video you are going to see 6 facts about budgies. Fact 1. A budgie can have more than 3000 feathers on its body. Fact 2. A budgie's scope of hearing ranges from 400 to 20,000 Hz. A budgie can remember sequences of sounds and sometimes mimic them. Fact 3. The heart rate of the budgie is also extremely fast and beats at over 300 times per minute. Fact 4. Budgies have a third eyelid so that it is not clearly visible. However, it is important to keep their eyes clean from dirt and debris. Fact 5. In 1995, the Guinness Book of World Records acknowledged Pug, the budgie, as the bird with the largest vocabulary in the world, speaking an astonishing 1,728 words. Fact 6. Budgies have a very high resting breathing rate ranging between 65 to 85 breaths per minute.